how many of you are like this? So like you don't like technology. You heard of technology, it's very difficult to build. It's something like it's not for me. So type down me in the chat box. So let me see. Okay, I can see you, many of you tapping down me. Okay, and also how many of you are like you are tech lovers? Okay, if you feel anything, okay, I can easily learn. So if you feel like you are very comfortable with technology, so type down TFC in the chat box. Yes, 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 I can see here. Technology feels comfortable. Yeah. Super. I can see you all of many of you tapping down tech lovers also here, like both kind of people. So that's amazing, guys. So thank you for your response. Hello everyone, myself Pallavi. I'm a CI student and also CI Quantum member. And so first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who being here, and also my mentor Keaton sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself in front of all of you. So thank you so much. Before taking this journey, me sharing about my skill journey. So is that okay if I can share my journey before how I was before joining to CI? So type on yes in the chat box if you give me the permission. So type on yes. Thank you so much. So before me being part of CI, so I was actually, if you ask me what's my background, so I'm from technical background. So I completed my Bachelor of Computer Application. So I was really good at my studies. So if you ask me that, I was always top in my class. But I was really having good marks, and I have that also. One more thing is overconfidence that anyhow I have a very good marks, I will get a very good job, and I can grow in my career. So that was the myth I had. But even having a very good marks, very good grade in my academics, what's the result of it? Okay, so anybody can guess? So what's the result? Did I get the job? So no, the result of this is the series of rejection. Literally after my completion of my degree, so I got rejected from more than 6 to 7 companies. So that made me feel like, what next? Because that was the turning, like push. Like my parents was asking, my relatives was asking, my friends were getting job, but I was not. Literally, that made me feel like, why? What next? So they're completely the clueless in front of me. The reason I'm getting rejected from each company or each interview I was attending is just because I was really good at knowledge, but not practically. I was not at all good. So if somebody asked me to do code something or to do something, I was getting clueless. I don't know what to do, how to do it, how to implement. If they ask me theoretically explain, I can explain for an hour. So that was my situation. I was really good at like theoretical, but not on practical implementation. That is where everybody started sharing that. So you go to your higher studies, you do that course, you do this course. I started getting multiple courses, but I was not even completed a single one. And finally, I made the decision I want to get into my higher studies. That's where I joined my higher studies. So I joined MCM. Even there, it was same. Like I was going to the college, spending time, coming back to the hostel, and studying good. But I was literally not seeing any changes in myself that implementing something really that can practically implementing something. You're learning something, but you literally don't know how you really implement it in real life. So it may be a technology, it can be anything. So you might be an engineer, you might be any background you're from, but you feel that difficulty in implementing it, right? So that was happened for me as well, even after joining to my masters. So I was feeling like missing that. I don't know what next. Like if I go just like this, I know for sure even after my masters I'll not get a job. So that was my, like I was in that situation. So in the same time, something big or something shocking that happened, which I felt it's not just for me, for the whole country or whole the world, that is lockdown. Okay, so I was just joined to the college. It was just, I think, 10 days me being in a college, but lockdown happened. Literally, I was happy in the starting because I'll get some holidays. But as it started increasing, like for a month, 2 months, 3 months, so it was, I feel so stuck that I literally don't know what to do. First of all, I didn't know, I was having no skill. I don't know what to do. First of all, I want to say I didn't even know I literally have no communication skill. I was not even aware of that I don't have communication skill, because only mindset is that I need to have a good technical skill. I need to be good at practically also after getting rejected from the jobs. I need to learn that. So that was the only thought I had. So that is where during the lockdown I got a message from one of my friends. So she was also we were learning together, like we were in a college meet, and so that time she sent me one profile book well, she have built multiple skills. Especially, I was a bit attracted with her technical skills. She built multiple apps, she built website, so many things. Like I was thinking how it's possible for her. We both were learning in a same college, but within short time, how she could able to do so many things. I asked her, and she shared about this one opportunity. So that's where I joined CI community for the first day when I see many people sharing their amazing result, transformation, they're becoming confident. I felt like I came to a new planet because which I never seen something like this is also possible. So how many of you were like you on first day when you came, you felt like this is something amazing and people are doing amazing, like you felt inspiring? So typed on I in the chat box if you felt that inspiring when you are in the first day. So typed on I in the chat box. Yes, I felt the same thing. But out of all the stories, one story has literally hooked me that okay, if that person can do it, I too can do it. That's I seen on the same day I heard a story from one of the person in the community where she was from medical background. She was doing her Ayurvedic medicine and she was sharing her result where she built an app. She learned virtual reality. She built multiple technical skills. That made me feel how it's really possible. Like being a technical background person, I completed my bachelor's in BCA and I was also started my master, but still I don't have all these things. But how she can able to do it? So that day I made that decision that okay, this community can make anything possible. If that person can do it, I too can do it. So that is the life. That's where I made that strong decision that day. I want to be here. I made the decision to be part of Diamond community, and that was the best decision I made ever in my life. I felt so happy. So, how many of you are happy about the decision that you made to be part of this community? So, type on P in the chat box if you feel that proud. Okay, I made that right decision to be in this. So, type on P in the chat box. Okay, I'm super proud because that was the best decision I made in my life. So I became part of CI. And so I started building multiple skills. But what really, as I was sharing, though, I was a bit, only the thought I had is I want to build multiple technical skills. I started building multiple technical skills. Like I started developing app development or CNC machine building or 3D designing, microcontroller. So multiple skills like this, I started building. And that made me that confidence that I too can do it. And this is how I'll tell you, this is not theoretical. I never gone through any classes to learn all this like theoretically. I started implementing it on practical projects. So that was the one thing that made me feel that happy that I am doing something good. So I made that right decision to be here. So that is what happened. Like after building multiple skill, uh, so this along with all the skills, one more skill that I have built in this journey, another technical skill, that is notion development. So today I'm going to share that journey, how I'm able to make it, because this one skill not just about technology but also helped me to learn a lot more along with this, not just thinking on building some project but also in business angle, like how I want to be thinking like a business owner. So that thinking has taught this skill taught me that. So that is what I'd like to share. So I started with multiple clients project, and when I started with my this skill champion journey, I started completed my first 4 projects and got recognized as a week one Notion skill champion. And so when I see my own project, I feel okay, I'm doing better with my skills. I started completing the first week project. Then I started going with multiple other projects like this, and literally, guys, so these are not just you feel like this is just some text or dashboard, but these are automations. I started building it. I started learning it in and out, which I never learned in last 3 years of my degree. So literally, I completed my 5 years of my graduation, like my master's and degree both together, which I never learned in this 5 years. That I had learned within 3 to 4 months, which I had not learned in 5 years. So this taught me so much to implement practically. The Notion skill literally taught me how to think in the way how business owners thinks. If I had got a job, so I might be working today in for some 9 to 5 job, getting some normal 3 lakh salary, 3 LPA. So I was being ordinary, but so this one decision has taught me so much to learn in and out as like a business owner. So I built multiple projects, automations that included, like you can see how business functions. See, this opportunity also I wanted to share helped me to meet business owners, communicate with them, how they think, how they make the decision. So communicating with the top people who are in the top the company, like CEOs, HR. So I'm able to communicate with those people, made me to think and build the system what really business wants. And these projects started completing it, and I'm able to receive my 5 weeks of Notion Skill Champion. And today I have not just built projects to learn for myself, but also to implement it for the clients. I started working with multiple clients, helping them to build the business, helping them to build the flow for their employees, and literally have worked with more than 10 plus clients and built more than 50 plus automations in Notion so far. I feel that happiness in myself because this was not theoretically I learned, this is a practically implemented. It's all the technologicals and automations. Working with this multiple clients as a project-based expert helped me to cross over more than 6.2 lakhs in revenue so far with all the skills. The complete development of this Notion skill has taught me that technology becomes easier when you start exploring it step by step. Many times we feel that technology is difficult. I see many of you typing down me when I ask it that technology is not easy, but technology is simple. Like it's not. I'm not telling this because I'm from technical background. Even if you asked me before me being part of CI, if you can do, is it possible for you to do all this? I said literally no, because I was not even aware that something like this is really possible. This all I have built from scratch. And automation helps you save a lot of your time and repetitive tasks. So if you want to, like for example, think if you want to send a message to each and every one of you individually, it can take you around 2 hours. Okay. But if you do learn automation, you can do it within a minute. So that's the power of automation. And Notion makes building systems and process simple. So and learning new tools expands our ability of problem solving. When you start learning new tools, like being a student here in CI, I started learning more of automation tools as well. So that helped me to how I can be a problem solver. If I get a problem like this, how I can solve this using technology. So that way of thinking has came out being part of CI and with the support of Notion skill. Thank you so much everyone for listening to me.